Hello guys, Steven Dexter. Today we're going to talk about what's the reason behind trading between 9 to 11 is the most profitable time zone. So before I get into this video, make sure to click the like button and subscribe. It's going to help us putting out more free videos. So the first thing, you want to split day trading into 3 different time zones. That's personally what I did at the very beginning of my career. So 9 to 11, 11 to 2, and 2 to 4. Those are 3 different time zones that represent different strategies. 9 to 11 normally represent intraday trades. So let's say you want to short into a bounce short, you want to buy into a pullback into a multi-day breakout. Those are specifically designed for intraday trades. Then 11 to 2 time zone, it's called midday. Now normally midday trades doesn't really stay consistent profitable. Now they do work seasonally, so I do not recommend for beginners or people who are trading for a long time to get into that time zone because midday trades are very unpredictable according to the 5 years of statistics. Now the last time zone I want to talk about will be 2 to 4. 2 to 4 is called the late day trades. Now those trades do stay consistent profitable, depends on what type of pattern you are trading. Let's say you want to short into a momentum shift trades and you want to build a massive swing short to hold overnight and potentially hold for 1 to 2 weeks. And that is very ideal, building a position late day. Momentum shift normally comes after 2:30. Some of the intraday trades does happen between 2 to 4. That's when stocks is trading massive amount of volume, which I talked about early in the YouTube videos. It's called the buyer insufficiency if you haven't checked it out. Buyer insufficiency, first red day, momentum shift, and potentially building a massive swing short. Those are the 4 patterns you can use when you are trading between 2 to 4. Now most of my trades are placed between 10:30 to 10:45. I do see a lot of beginners tend to make mistakes. They want to place a trade as soon as possible after the market open. That's the mistakes I made early in my career as well. People are too eager or too rushed into a trade. At the end of the day, they will end up taking a loss because they don't really know the volatility and the potential spiking percentage after the market open. The reason why I place the trades around 10:30 to 10:45 is because I want the chart to start forming a pattern that I can recognize, and also is trading sufficient enough volume that tiny little bit of volume will not change the stock price dramatically. So let's say during the pre-market, there is no volume was trading before 9:30. All of a sudden after market open, the stock is trading 5 million, 4 million, 10 million volume. But I cannot estimate how much volume is going to trade throughout the entire day because I only have that small time range of reference. But 90% of the time, when you are looking into the pre-market volume, you can kind of estimate how much volume is going to trade throughout the entire day. 90% of the time, you can calculate how much volume is going to trade throughout the entire day. So you can kind of know that the stock is going to get crowded or not. If the stock is very crowded, that means the stock has a really high competition after market open. So it's really difficult to get a very good entry if the stock is crowded. In average, you kind of have to wait between 30 to 45 minutes after the market open, trading about anywhere between 40 million to 50 million volume, and potentially develop consolidations. That's where you should size it in as a shorting positions. For long positions, you still have to wait for 30 minutes to 45 minutes because people tend to chase into the breakout after market open. Then the stock rejects them, make them to sell into a dip. That's where you take the opportunities to size into a potential breakout. So those are the reasons why you should choose to trade between 9 to 11, and that should give you a very consistent trading performance, and also doesn't take the whole day, so you don't have to sit in front of computers for 8 hours and watch the chart to develop. And that'll be end of this video. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next time.